Okay, well, we're back here at Project Feiglstok. This is day 3. I've tied into the irrigation, the drip irrigation, 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch. And I've got this laid out in the sun so it can kind of loosen up a bit, warm up. And I've run it down that way. You can see at the end there, I've got it held down with my shovel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rake here, well, probably my shovel first, and get this little piece buried back up, and then rake the gravel back over, and then I'm going to do a once through with the rake on this surface here, kind of give it a little bit of consistency, and then I'm going to start packing gravel in. So I'll check back in. Gravel's going down. Got my barrier fabric out. This orange line is marking the irrigation as it meanders through this. And that'll give us a chance, if we've ever got to add a plant or delete something, we can just kind of open up the gravel and locate the paint. And that'll allow us to find the drip irrigation in a pretty easy way. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Project Feiglstok, day 4. And we've got 1/2 inch Rebel Red and chunky Rebel Red, which is a 4 inch minus. The 1/2 inch Rebel, we've got about 12,500 pounds laid in here, and then we've got 1 ton. Actually, it's probably a little bit more. A ton plus 100 to 200 pounds of the chunky. So at this point, we've got all the gravel placed, and we've got our plants selected here. 11 cacti and or desert plants that are going to go in. And if you saw the first installment of Project Feiglstok, day 1 and 2, I think that I had tied in our drip irrigation right there and ran a 1/2 inch leg about 70 feet long right there, which I'm going to plant these plants and tie into. But first, we're going to go get some boulders, some hard red sandstone boulders, and do some decorative boulder placement here, so we can kind of tie this visual in. So you can see this border. It's an approximate 1 foot along the water feature here, a 1 foot wide border. Anyway, that's all I'm saying. I'm going to grab my gloves and grab the 2-wheeled wheelbarrow and put it away because I won't be needing it. We'll come back with those boulders and check it out. Okay, just checking back in here, Project Feiglstok. We've got the 3/4 and the chunky down, and we got our large hard red sandstone boulders placed. So it's been raining pretty decently today, so it's been interesting. We've got 11 desert plants and cacti to plant, probably come Wednesday when the weather's better. But at this point, this is day 3 and 4. I've lost myself with a couple days of weather here, so I'm running a bit behind. Anyhow, we'll get her taken care of. Probably Wednesday we'll be done here. So we're here at Project Feiglstok, day 4.5. We finished this up, this backyard remodel. Sod removal, decorative gravel, decorative boulders, decorative desert cacti. So this is what we're looking at here. Try and get it all in the frame. which is not going to happen, but you get the idea. This was all grass, you'll see. We did the removal, placed 12,500 pounds of 1/2 inch Rebel, and then about 1.1 tons of chunky, and then we got the hard sandstone boulder placement. So that's a wrap. Today we did the planted 11 desert cacti in various locations, so that'll do, I guess. On to the next one. So this wasn't the greatest bit of documentation I could have produced, but it'll have to be. So until next time.